So my wife bought me this Pitbull Gold shaver, and after a few months that I've had it, I got up this morning and it was continually running and would not shut off. So I took and unplugged it and figured, well, I'll figure it out later. Maybe the battery will be destroyed by the time I get home, but at least I wouldn't burn it up. But once I got off work today, plugged it in for a little while, it wouldn't start. So to take this apart, so this would go on the bottom of it. You have these little plastic plugs, and I just used a little pick tool like so. You just scoop them out, and then you use a Phillips number 0 to take the 4 screws out, and you just put your little pointy tool here and just pry that off. It comes right off, no big deal. And these, I don't even think they had an O-ring on the bottom, which is kind of odd. You'd think they'd had one there. Then you get inside, and there's these retainers for a battery that go inside of there. So if I can get that anyway, this will go like that. There's 4 screws you take out of there. So this is the bottom of it. You will use a Phillips number 1 for the screws inside of it. So anyway, I pulled it apart. If you're checking your power supply, it's 15 volts here, but I'm getting a steady 4 volts out of here no matter what I do. And now it's not going to run the motor at all, but doesn't matter. I'm pushing the button, I'm getting my 4 volts, and eventually it may run and charge the battery up enough, but it won't shut off. So I look at the printed circuit board, and right here, let's see if I can do this. Right here, a transistor is fried. Why that happened, I don't know. There's no evidence of water or anything else in here. And then there may be a little heat damage here. But this is so fried, I can't read what it is. It could be one of these. I may order one. But if anybody has any information on that, let me know. Maybe I'll be able to solder another one on, but I doubt it. But anyway, be interesting to see if anybody's had one of these that wouldn't shut off and then fried it. But other than that, it's been a great tool, less than a year old, but when I took it apart, the solder links were so weak that they came right off of this motor, and I was being really careful. So hope that helps somebody.